We have a full team coming into the office today. Naturally, we decided to make lunch for the team on our battery-powered induction stove. Chef. Today we are making fried rice and this marinated beef steak. First, let's make the fried rice. Chef is an induction cooktop we designed to allow users to cook on the go without an outlet or cord holding them back. It has 16 power levels and 2 burners. Chef gives you about 2 hours of cook time with mixed use and can then be charged by either an outlet or solar panels. Chef is designed to give you the freedom to cook outside of a traditional kitchen. It's perfect for outdoor cooking, camping, van life, or tailgating. With the rest of the veggies done, let's finish cooking some eggs for our fried rice. Perfect. Now time to fry the rice before we mix it all together. As we get closer to releasing Chef into the world, the Newr team continues to grow, meaning we had to do several batches of rice to feed everybody. First batch of rice down, 2 more to go. Imagine if you could just pick up your stove and take it anywhere. Forget about needing a new propane tank or whether your extension cord will reach you. Chef makes the cooking process simple. Time to mix it all together. With the rice done, let's finish up the meal with our marinated beef steak. We added some brown sugar while cooking to create some more flavor. If you want to order the world's first battery-powered induction stove, head over to newrcompany.com. That's Newr, N-E-W-R company.com for your very own chef. We finished up the rest of the steak and sat down to enjoy the meal as a team. The food was delicious, but it's the people that truly made the meal feel complete.